Finding the treasure, I think they will obviously find it.
You have to eat this as punishment. Please.
1 minute.
We don't know. Can we skip? No, I don't want to eat it.
5 हो गए हैं.
Atra now is gonna get angry. Oh,
Why
you
is the
took so
six
much efforts to draw the 6.
Squirrel.
It's like that's how our brain is going to look after the चक्कर आ जाएंगे.
7 minutes होंगे उनको. अभी no mercy कुछ भी नहीं, थोड़ा भी ये नहीं
Okay,
करूँगा मैं.
fine.
6 sorry.
6.
6, 7.
हाँ.
Wealth can be deceiving. The next clue isn't in its value. It's in what it hides.
Is it a piggy bank? And
Is it a
that's the
wallet?
only
Wallet?
Wallet, piggy bank. And
Wealth can be deceiving.
हाँ.
Next.
For this I need to give it to you. Yes. For this you need this.
bank.
Bank.
No, you have to do something of this. Means there is something inside this. You need to find it.
5 countries. Just tear it.
How am I gonna tear it?
Oh, that's not.
Can you just use your power of nail?
I don't know the fuck is this.
किसने लगाया है इसको? चिकटपट्टी तूने लगाया है क्या?
नाही. ओपनच नाही केले अजून.
तो ओपन नहीं किया तो उसका अंदर तूने क्या डाला है?
So there is a clue.
असंच आलंय. आता बिले.
Are we supposed to name the countries like the?
No.
What do you mean by no?
It is deceiving. जे दिसतंय ते तसं नाहीये.
So we have to find the fake note. 9.
These all are fake notes.
Arey, like as in like fake sisters make us. Do we have to arrange it in certain way, like by its value?
No. The notes are deceiving you.
The notes are deceiving me.
सगळं पॅकेज बघा.
They're original.
Yeah, that's why I said.
Some random fact in India. Do not pronunciations by signs. Circular.
3.5 minutes. Code letter, something like that. कोडिंग आहे का बघा.
Like त्या नोट्सच्या.
आणि ते एकदा तुम्हाला दिसलं की यू कॅन यूज गुगल फॉर दॅट टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट इज द कोड.
Okay, is it like 50, 10, 25 वगैरे?
नियम. थोडा हात लावा त्याला.
Is it glass?
नाही.
ह्याला हात लावायचा. बॉक्सला हात लावायचा. ह्याला हात लावून काय मिळणार?
ऑब्विसली.
I have no idea. My numbers no. 10 no. Is it in the colors? No, I don't think so. Is it in the colors? Something.
शुअरली नाही येणार यार.
नाही खायचं.
2.5 minutes.
Do we have to scan the code? Do we have to scan the code?
I don't think so.
एवढं सांगते. पुढं पॅकेज बघा. तुम्ही पुढं बघतच नाहीये.
नॉर्मल तुम्ही ओपन करताना कसं करता ओपन? टेअर इट अपार्ट.
Bruh. Oh shit. There is.
Morse code, bitch. It's a Morse code. थांब.
Is it numbers? Are those numbers?
ते नाही आता सांगणार मी.
थांब जरा. Where is it? Google.
1.5 minutes पेंडिंग.
Okay. हे निघालंय.
नाही. It's
आता ते
fine.
तुम्ही काढलं तसं.
Dot dash
Wait.
dot.
Where is a pen? Pencil काहीच नाही.
Okay, इधर लिख. Dot. Is it dot dash dash?
गाइस कमेंट द मॉर्स कोड.
इधर क्या था? इधर नहीं दिख रहा हमको क्या था.
अभी मुझे नहीं पता आपने कैसे निकाला.
I don't know.
Dot dash
थांब,
dot
थांब.
dash.
ए आम्हाला एक्स्ट्रा we want 5 extra minutes. We want. अगं तू का? Oh my lord. तू का फाडलं असं? Hell. Wait.
It's dot.
Only 46 seconds
We
pending.
asked for 5 extra minutes.
5 extra minutes.
ठीक.
Okay, let's see. What does the dash dash mean? What is dash dash? Just
चॅट
dash,
जीपीटी नाही वापरू शकत. यू जस्ट
M,
हॅव
M.
टू यूज
Dash,
गुगल.
dash,
dash is M. Dot dash dot is
Dot dash dot. Can you see it?
dot dash dot dot.
Oh, R.
R.
So 5 minutes extension.
Dot. Yeah.
Dot dash
Dot
dot
dash
dash. परत R आहे ना ते. What? The fuck is this?
चुकीचे तुमचं ते चुकले.
कारण हे लिहिलं नीट नाहीये.
Number.
नाही ते तुम्ही काढताना तर चुकलं.
Number की letters आहे.
लेटरच आहे, नंबर नाहीये काही. ते नीट अरेंज करा आता ते.
कसं ते
फाटलंय पूर्ण. We can't arrange it.
इट्स व्हेरी लॉजिकल बेबी आता.
हे
पण हे
यू हॅव टू रिअरेंज देन.
ओके सो लाईक रिअरेंज पण करायचं होतं.
नाही तो होता बरोबर, तर ते फाटल्यामुळे ते नीट नाही दिसत
Are
आहे.
these all letters
ॲटलिस्ट
त्यांचे काही मिसिंग आहे?
मिसिंग लेटर आहे का काही? कारण ते नाही दिसत आहे आता काही.
हो
missing-
एक आहे
सांग ना.
आता तो नाही
अरे
सांगते.
कारण ओके
यू हॅव 6 आउट ऑफ किती, एकच मिसिंग आहे.
Dot dash dot.
आणि ते झाले R आहे ऑर्डर केलं.
आणि इथलेच आहे काहीतरी. हे फाटलं. हे नाही येत.
It is mirror. It is mirror.
2.32.
Okay, we did it now, but what to do with
Okay,
mirror?
what to do with mirror?
You have to go to that mirror which I want.
You want? Is it this?
Yes, done.
Okay, that's what that was.
So guys, successfully उन्होंने ये भी क्ल्यू कर दिया. So your one extension is over. Now you only have one extension, and still 7, 8, 9, 10. There are still 4 clues.
We can do this.
Yeah,
Yes,
we
okay.
Clue number 7.
W-E-R.
Start.
Since you're very close to the treasure, and now it's time to test your observation. A reflection tells only the half story.
Hidden in the
Find
plain
the number hidden in plain sight.
एक second.
You need to find a number which is hidden in a plain sight.
Is it this?
Is it this one? 2018.
No. One number.
One single digit.
No, 2 digit, but a number.
Okay, it's a 2 digit.
Not a
number.
serial number.
Is it big or is it like छोटूसा?
तो आता असं नाही मग सांगता येणार.
There is nothing here.
It's a plain sight. Hidden in a plain sight.
It is not over here.
It's not on the mirror.
Let me just do it.
This is going to be tough. Obviously. 4 minutes pending. Guys, आपको क्या लग रहा है, क्या हिडन है, बता दीजिए उनको.
हमको नहीं दिख रहा. आपको क्या दिखेगा?
दार बंद करून बघा एक थोड्या 2 मिनिटं. 229. 229. ढूंढ नहीं पा रहे
Is it
बेचारे.
written on an object? It's not written.
It like looks like that number, that object.
When
So
When what?
when nahi, you were gonna say. Is it 11?
oh,
Is it 11? Oh, is it 11?
खालचं 11.
That was a guess, wasn't
No,
it?
I thought he was talking about this.
Oh,
त्याचं काय संबंध?
Like vertical. I don't know.
Oh,
But it's okay.
that was tough. That was tough. Did we do it in time?
Yes. So now come here inside this kitchen.
Oh shit, यार इथे खूप गोष्टी आहेत. No.
You have to find. पुढचा मी क्ल्यू देईनच ऑब्विसली, बट यू हॅव टू फाइंड इट हिअर. सो दिस इज द क्ल्यू 8. One minute 10 seconds.
याद नाही आहे ना काही? नाही आहे?
21 seconds. Is the race against time? Done. Done.
Okay. One exception. If that 4-letter word forms from these 9 letters, you exempt us from.
Nine. Rule is rule. First punishment. First Chalo आता.
That's our first punishment, so we both have 1 bite, right?
No.
Yeah, that's
It's 2 bites because the level has. Oh, 1 bite.
First go.
First
one time,
bite.
one reaction, you know.
fucking puke.
आता तुझी बारी. चांगलं झालं असेल आता मॅरिनेट वाटतं.
पाडी नाही का पिऊ शकत?
Please, party.
पिऊ शकतो पिऊ शकतो.
Fucking shit. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे उसको दूध कार्डबोर्ड को दूध में भिगो के उस पे सॉस डाला है.
How was the feel?
So,
Now they have 11 letters.
Yeah.
This is the 8th clue.
Yeah.
8th clue. Now check the clue.
I chase away darkness, yet I am not the sun. Find me in your journey. Find me and your journey will continue.
so it's a 4-letter word जो आम्हाला गेस करून याने बनवायचं. We don't have to find
आणि
it.
लोकेशन मध्ये पोचायचं तुम्हाला.
Wow, यार.
So
Lamp.
nice.
Lamp.
Lamp. It's lamp.
Lamp.
It's lamp.
Yay.
Right?
It is right.
It's lamp.
Yay.
It's done without starting the timer.
Oh,
LA.
L.
मोटिवेशन आलंय ते खाऊन.
ते
P P P. हाँ LMP.
ये
Yes.
Lamp. वापस नहीं खाना है.
क्या मतलब विदाउट इवन आई डिडंट इवन स्टार्ट द टाइमर. पहुंच गई. क्या है?
खाने के बाद मोटिवेशन आ गया बहुत ज्यादा वापस नहीं.
no more punishments.
Let's get into the 9th challenge.
त्यासाठी तुम्हाला
अरे बापरे.
फेविकॉल लागेल. थांब. फेविकॉल आहे.
म्हणून oh lord.
फेविकॉल आहे.
You're so smart.
There is no way individually चिटकवायचं आपल्याला.
हो.
In 7th.
You will get 10 minutes. नाही सॉरी 9 minutes. This is the highest level of काय म्हणतात त्याला डिफिकल्टी लेवल.
So आपल्याला ते बनवायचं आहे. और
Every fragment has a purpose. Only together they reveal its identity.
So they get 9 minutes to solve this.
is this like incomplete? So like
Yeah,
is
yeah.
this a
It is
word?
incomplete. Yes, it is
It's
a
a
word.
हे लाईन्स आहेत थोड्या थोड्या अशा दिलेल्या फॉर काय म्हणतात
Oh,
त्याला
very nice
अंदाज
reference here.
रेफरन्स साठी.
की काय लेटर असेल.
हो.
बस that's enough. पहले लेटर तो फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा वो क्या है.
इट्स लाइक दिस ओनली ना. कोणती साइड आहे?
ते सांगू शकतो.
हाँ.
इथून स्टार्ट.
Oh,
Okay.
what the fuck is this?
Is it all caps?
येस.
All caps.
Okay, so I'm gonna guess this is L. Is this L? The first one. It is L. Okay. Uncle, fucking fuck ऐसे.
No. It's not. No. Pull it. जहाँ that's enough. That's how it goes.
Okay.
एल का दांडी भी
तू
इतना.
हे लाव मी हे लावते तर. Fucking fuck यार. What you doing like this?
LET.
Levitating.
अमेझिंग. चलो 2 ह्याच्यात करून पण टाकले.
LETT.
येस.
Letter. Is it letter? It's
Okay.
fucking letter.
Oh,
Okay.
let's go.
So they found the word.
That is ready.
but still we did
I
it.
didn't expect this. मुझे तो लगा था बहुत सारे गलत हो जाएंगे but
I don't have nails, bro.
what a wonderful job. Done.
We did the letter with the letter, in the letter, of the letter. The
But
10th
this
one
was
is
the
going to.
9th one, bro.
Yeah, I'm just smart like that, I guess.
Yeah, you are smart. Both are smart. sisters.
Let's go. Okay, so
Teen
now the 10th
winter.
one. Please let us
Yeah,
know.
now the last. So they have already started collecting their letters.
Because पहले से ही हमें suspicion आ गया था कि इसमें सारे letter
Actually, that basically मैं देने वाला था, but वो ठीक है. I thought कि इतना समझेगा
It's
नहीं.
okay, but this is the last task, so like it's fine.
Yeah,
It's
this
not
is the
like that,
last. Chalo, let's start the last task.
Last.
Clue 10.
Should we open it?
Start.
Okay. The final clue. Congratulations for reaching this far. The journey was not that easy, but finally we made it to the last stage. Here is the final clue for you. The end was never hidden. It has been following
Yeah, so
you
it is
all
this
along.
one. Yeah.
So we have to make something of this,
Like
Yes.
word.
like a word. Give us a
Yes.
clue about that word.
Is it like
because
2 words?
It's a
or-
10-letter word.
It's
10
one,
letter
one
word?
word.
10-letter word.
Yeah, but is it one word?
Yes.
It's not 2 words. It's one 10-letter word.
Self.
Give clue about that letter. What does that mean?
It's
Is it
an
an
object.
It's an object used for what? Something.
Storage.
Storage.
Wardrobe? Wardrobe? No.
Yeah, wardrobe. D. Is there a D?
There is no A.
No, there's no D. Wardrobe.
Storage, na. So, here comes at 10 at na. So, 5. Okay, 10 at so no extra words.
It's used for storing. Storing
Lighthouse नहीं. Storage house क्या होता है तेरा?
Storehouse. Showroom.
नहीं वो नहीं है. Shoe rack. Is that E?
It's there in the house.
Obviously.
But shoe
तिथंच
rack
फायनल
Cupboard,
ट्रेजर आहे.
cupboard.
नहीं.
Cupboard.
तिथं फायनल ट्रेजर आहे.
Cupboard, wardrobe.
Bag नहीं.
Vanity.
W was fast.
Wardrobe suits them.
But there is no A.
And D. And B.
Washing machine? No.
Now they got the name.
Let's go.
Lower shelf of what?
I don't know.
It's not beneath the beds, right? कहीं आहे?
ए नाही.
No?
थांब. बेबी इधर उतर.
कसं बोललं?
टेरेस पण असू शकतं.
I think washing machine.
नीचे चेक किया क्या तुमने?
It's maybe like कपड़ा and वगैरह.
The last one? Last one did you check? Check the last one. No, that this one.
So guys, 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Washroom का नहीं इधर नहीं है.
Only 3 minutes.
हे टीव्ही चेक करता.
Is there something inside? No?
Later. Then we'll give you.
Later.
Yesterday I made this. Yesterday मैंने ये बनाया जो हमारे क्लॉक का बॉक्स था उससे मैंने कैनवास बनाया. So I guess he felt bad for me. And got the canvas back.
Oh my god, and it's like much needed. And oh, it is acrylics. Oh, I thought it was water, but
That's acrylic art. I fucked up last time.
है ना? It is
Yeah.
acrylic. And then there's a Caesar and tape. We both love painting, so
Against all odds, you both solved every puzzle, found every clue, and completed the treasure hunt. The intelligence, teamwork, and determination. You both have the treasure hunt.
Wow, झालं.
So happy. It was very difficult. And it was super fun, man. And he organized
one day.
एक दिन में पूरा he organized and did
दीदी ने
everything.
हेल्प के लिए वाला था.
No, I don't know. Let's just pick the letters.
Finally, task
Sunday,
done.
Monday, successful.
अभी हो गया.
उसमें हमने गिफ्ट्स भी देख लिया. So
Yay.
we were good at finding.
Hunting.
Good वाटलं.
Most difficult was to find memory camera
Camera, yeah.
because we could not figure
But
out
then
for the
again,
love of
I feel
God.
like आपण just flow state मध्ये घुसत होतो त्या
Yeah.
point ला. In like startचे 3 we were just like but after that we were like let's go,
logged
let's
in.
go,
And then the
logged in.
last two chittis which we couldn't find the letters, they were very difficult to find.
Yeah.
It was not easy.
It was the placement, not us.
Yeah, it was
Not
the
our
placement. The people were very difficult to place, so we had to suffer because of the two placements.
know.
Otherwise, it was
But
very.
after that punishment,
fun.
we were like so determined to find everything. no mistakes.
Very nice gifts.
Yes.
See you in the next video.
Stay tuned.
And subscribe for more fun.